What's up everybody, it's Andy here again from cryptocomparo.com, and I just wanted to let you guys know about something that has just launched, or let me rephrase that, has not even launched yet. So I've just been given a bit of insider information, so to speak, regarding a DSP clone that's about to launch in an hour's time. So this is called GXY, and you can see it's a literal rip-off of DSP. Complete rip-off. Yeah, so it's an absolute complete rip-off of DSP. I'm still in DSP, as you know. So we've got like 10,000 DSP. I'm still staking. We've ended stakes. I'm still in it. The price of DSP has gone right down to 0.42. You can see it's going down at the minute. It'd probably go down to T2X prices, I reckon. Still money to be made on this. It's just taking you a lot longer to ROI. Now, not many people are talking about GXY. I got told about it through my trusted sources, and it literally hasn't gone live yet. The auction doesn't even open for another hour. So yeah, I'm going to go into this. As usual, this isn't financial advice. You don't have to follow me. I'm just telling you about my journey. And the way I'm into all of these platforms is to get TRX and then trade TRX into Ethereum and Bitcoin, or keep it into like penny stocks and pink slips so I can make more ROI. But it all comes down to that, to acquiring Bitcoin and Ethereum for me, and a couple of coins that I like TRX and stuff. So I always go into this basically with the mentality that they could scam, they could exit scam, they could pull the rug at any time. And I only ever go into it with what I can afford to lose. So yeah, isn't financial advice. That's just my take on these Dapps and these DeFi staking platforms. I just look and trying to get in there and get out an ROI and then play with his profits. Basically, that's what I do. How long that I play with them profits for all depends on how long the contract goes for. But yeah, I'm into these. I'm using the money. I've also got into Shark DeFi and Shark Invest, which launched yesterday. I'll do a video on that probably tomorrow. But yeah, I literally wanted to let you guys know so you can be one of the first people in if you're interested. Works exactly like DSP. There's a link in the description below, but there is some slight differences and it's in our favor, so I'll talk you through that now. They do have a Telegram group. I'll just put all this up here. Link is in the description for the Telegram group. Another well-known YouTube, Encryptic TV. He's one of the moderators on there. He's got nothing to do with the program. He said he's just helping him out. But yeah, there's only 247 members in it at the minute. So it is all people, the familiar faces from the DeFi staking platform that are looking at getting in. So yeah, do your own homework and due diligence, like I say, people. Encryptic TV is going to look at the contract and do over that. So go and check his video out. Like it says, no one's got the contract yet, no one's got the token yet. You won't be able to sell these on JustSwap until the token's been minted and put into circulation. So we can see, those of you who want to stay with something more safer and riskier, obviously look at DSP. There is a link in the description for DSP as well. We will do a video on the Shark network, the Shark Tron network, but you can see here, if I refresh it, there's not much Tron in the platform today, and I'm just being a bit skeptical. I'm just going to be looking out here. I think a lot of these insiders have got the heads up on GXY, and you'll think a lot of these who ROI'd early on DSP will be looking at ROIing early on GXY. And so you can see here, daily auction will start with 2.5 million GXY a day, and will be distributed between the users, so that's still going to happen. Stake your GXY tokens. The only difference is here is every day you're going to get 97% of the previous day's Tron will be put into auction, where on DeFi staking platform it's 95. The DeFi DSP, they pre-mined something like 25 million DSY tokens before day one of auction. GXY has pre-mined 10, only 10. Full transparency on them 10, you can find it. They've put the link into the contract there. They are quite open and say, look, we've only pre-mined 10. There's 97% going back to everybody in Tron every day. So it starts in 1 hour. I've started some 57 minutes now. I'll be getting into this. There is a link in the description. If you don't use my link, try and use somebody else's. But I'm telling you now, guys, there's not many YouTube videos out on this yet. I'm one of the first to drop this, as I was giving a bit of inside information on this and told obviously to get in early so you can get the most ROI. So yeah, I trust the source who's told me. I am going to be putting into this early just to get in and get out. It's up to you what you do. Like I said, this isn't financial advice. But yeah, link in the description for GXY and the Telegram group. So let's just go and have a quick look at some of the other differences. So we look at the contract. So there won't be anything in the contract yet, obviously, because whilst the contract's been created, it's been verified because obviously it's a clone from GXY, from DSP. But obviously, like you say, if the likes of OG goes and puts the whole code out on Telegram, it's only a matter of time before a clone pops up. And this is the clone. It is in our favour, people, to look into this. Like I say, I'm not abandoning DSP, but I'm in this for money. And if we got look to make it a quick ROI, then why not? Obviously these are high risk. So if we go back to the lobby of GXY Token, so yeah, they've not come up with a logo or anything yet. I don't think they're going to be that bothered. The auction, like I said, hasn't even started yet. We'll just go through some of the questions. So again, it's literally just copy word for word. This is the thing with open source. Again, 2.5 million a day. Buying tokens is more profitable. Obviously, tokens won't be on Just Swap just yet. Word is all Tron go. So there you go. 97% of all the daily Tron will go back to stakers, to shareholders, instead of 95. That does add up, guys, and especially if you get a 5% referral link as well. So yeah, make sure you use my link. It does help the channel, it does help you guys as well. And then the other 3% is going to cover promotion and platform development costs. So it doesn't even say like the devs are taking any money. Obviously it restart the same day. So yeah, nothing's gone in that. Staking works exactly the same as DSP. They seem to have fixed all the bugs as well. I will have a look at Encryptic TV's video and see what he says as well. But let's have a quick look here. Staking. Yeah, so again, same bonus. Eligibility bonuses for 5 days. How is the pool calculated? Yeah, 50,000. Yeah, it's exactly the same, guys. You get a bonus for staking. You get 2x bonus. You lose half the penalty, again like DSP. Yeah, you get your dividends, but the other difference, you get 97% back, so it's worth getting in the early, guys, because you should be able to ROI within 1, maybe 2 days max, and then obviously take that money out and just play with the profits. That's all I'm doing. I did go into Shark Invest with a few thousand, and I have got Swords tokens staking as well, but we'll do another video that another day. And the DeFi seems to be lagging at the moment. So yeah, GXY staking platform, guys, goes live in 53 minutes. Use the link in the description below. Get the extra 5% because you're getting in. If you missed the boat on getting in DSP on day one, if you miss getting into T2X on day one, this is a way to get into this on day one. Whether you stake it for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, the maximum you can stake on this, guys, as well. That's the third trick. The third thing is 180 days. So where you can stake on DSP, if you're not bothered about the price of DSP token, you stake for 5,555 days. And you'd get 3x on your shares, and then you could take more Tron out because you're not bothered about the DSP token. So you can do that on DSP. You cannot do it on GXY. The maximum you can stake for is 180 days. So yeah, what you seem to have done is took the DSP contract and just made it better. And obviously we know DSP took the T2X contract and made that better. So yeah, this has got good things about this one. A few things that they need to sort out. They need to make sure they've got backup sites, learn from DSP's mistakes, get an SSL, get Cloudflare and stuff. But obviously you can communicate direct with the contract if you know how, because it is a clone of DSP. If not, I will make videos. Any comments, put in the comments below, I'll get back to you. If you've not already done so, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications because it'll keep you updated, probably daily now, on these DeFi staking platforms. other Dapps that we're involved in, and then we're going to be looking at doing a cryptocurrency trading series, maybe whether that's trading on Just Swap or Uniswap or some of the other platforms that we're on. But yeah, GXY staking platform, people, look at getting into it early while you can. Link in the description below. Take advantage of them extra 5% referral and GXY, especially in these first days, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another video.